Listen, welcome back to Tech Tutorials Hub, your go-to source for all things tech. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that can significantly boost your computer's performance: increasing RAM. Whether you're using a laptop or a Windows PC with Windows 10 or the latest Windows 11, optimizing your RAM can make a noticeable difference in your system's speed and responsiveness. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's briefly understand what RAM is and why it's essential. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is like your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that your system is actively using or processing, providing quick access for applications. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. Follow these steps to unlock the full potential of your system. Begin by clicking on the search button in the taskbar and searching for Control Panel. Once there, switch the view to large icons for better navigation. Locate and click on System to access essential information about your PC, including the current RAM size. So as you can see, my PC has 8 gigs of RAM available. Adjusting virtual memory. Moving on, we'll delve into the advanced settings. Click on Advanced. The second window will open and navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, under Processor Scheduling, find Virtual Memory. This is an area on your hard disk that Windows uses as if it were additional RAM. You can see it says, a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. You need to increase this file size so that your PC can run smoothly. If you're finding value in these tips, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech tutorials. Hit the like button to show your support. Next, customizing paging file. To optimize your virtual memory, click on Change and uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Toggle to Custom Size and set the initial and maximum RAM sizes based on your system specifications. You will have to set the initial RAM size and the maximum RAM size, but this cannot be done randomly. So I created this RAM conversion table to help you convert your RAM based on your default RAM size, the initial RAM size, and the maximum RAM size. Let's do a quick calculation. So if you have a RAM size of 8 GB, you will have to go by the default RAM size times 1024 megabytes times 1.5 for the initial RAM size. Then for the maximum RAM size, the same 8 GB times 1024 megabytes times 3. So the maximum RAM size is default RAM size times 1024 times 3, and the initial RAM size is default RAM size times 1024 times 1.5. As you can see, I have 8 gigs of RAM, so I'll use my calculator to calculate this. 8 times 1024 times 1.5. And the final initial RAM will be 12,288 megabytes. So this means that in the initial RAM size, I would put the value 12,288 megabytes for the initial RAM size. So once you have successfully calculated your initial RAM size, all you have to do is to go back to the window and type in the initial RAM size, which is 12,288. No need to add megabytes. Now let's calculate the maximum RAM size of my PC again. You go with the default RAM size times 1024 times 3 for the maximum RAM size. So, to calculate this, I'll go back to my calculator, and then I will type 8 times 1024 times 3. Now that is equal to 24,576 megabytes. So a PC with 8 gig RAM must have a maximum RAM size of 24,576 megabyte. So I'll go back to my window and type for the maximum RAM size, 24,576 megabytes. Then click on the set icon, the set button to lock in the figure. Once you click on set, you have successfully set your paging file size, which is going to be used as if it were RAM. Now click on OK to finalize the process, then click on OK again. Congratulations, you have successfully set your increase the RAM of your PC from 8 GB to 30 GB. The PC is going to be using this space on your hard disk as if it were RAM. Now let's calculate for a PC with 4 GB of RAM. That will be 4 times 1024 times 1.5, which will be 6,744 for the initial RAM size. Let's calculate the maximum RAM size for a PC with 4 GB RAM. That will be 4 times 1024 times 3, and that will amount to 12,288. And that's all. This is how you can calculate the RAM size of any PC. The default RAM size times 1024 times 1.5 for the initial RAM size, and times 3 for the maximum RAM size. So if we have not yet taken note of all the calculations, you can simply take a screenshot of the RAM conversion table so that you can calculate the initial and maximum RAM size for your PC. Now that's about it, how you can increase the RAM of your PC without any software. If you find this tutorial useful, subscribe for more content, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you've tried increasing your RAM before. Before we conclude, if you're interested in expanding your knowledge further, check out our previous video on increasing RAM on Android devices. I'll link it in the description, so stay tuned. That wraps up our guide on boosting your computer's performance by increasing RAM. Remember, a smoother running system is just a few steps away. All you have to do is restart your device for changes to take effect. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech insights. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, tech on.